So I recorded this.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh, this is not needed actually. In IDE email it entered D0 961, then it put something else, persist box. So sometimes some unnecessary steps will be added. You need to right click on it and delete it.
Okay.
Here also delete it. So Selenium, type, you need to type some email ID, you need to type some password, then you need to click on the login button. Then I
Okay.
am logging out.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So after that you need to test whether it is running or not. Open a new tab. This is called play button to run it.
Okay.
Okay. See here this is speed. Speed
Okay.
limiter. So if you put it in fast, then it will run it so quickly. If you want to see it step by step, or if you want to run it very slow, then change this from fast. If you move it from here to there, then it will run in very slow mode. Okay,
Yes.
and run it. So it's opening for us, logging in and log out. So test case is passed. See here there are lot of options. So if you click on each step, it will display the command and the target and the value, right?
Yes.
So here you have select and find button. You
Okay.
click find button, it will highlight the element.
Okay.
So this is type ID equal to email, right? It will highlight the element whose ID is email.
Oh,
Did you see
yeah.
that some yellow color is coming, right?
Yes.
If you click on ID equal to pass and if you click on find, it will give you that. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And after login, we'll see. After successful login, you will get logout button, right?
Yes.
So to check whether it is successfully login or not, you can verify that button.
Okay.
Okay, for that you can do one thing. Insert new command.
Mm-hmm.
Here there are lot of verify. Verify element present. Okay. Target equal to, so we are trying to find out this button, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So click on select and select that button.
Okay.
If you do that, the target field will be filled. See, earlier it is just empty.
Yes.
After you
Mm-hmm.
click on select and choosing logout button, it is filled with several identifiers.
Okay.
You can choose one of those, but we'll go ahead with the top one.
Okay.
Okay, so after login, it will check whether that element is there or not.
Okay.
So we will run the test case again because we added one more command, right?
Yeah.
So it is entering logout. Test case is passed. Okay.
Okay.
So after recording a test case, to save it, you need to click on save test case. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Save test case in some location like desktop, new folder. I am putting everything in Selenium, not Selenium demo. Selenium demo only. Selenium IDE. So I saved my test case as FB login. So if I close this and reopen it again, it will open a fresh window, right? So
Yeah.
if I want to get my already recorded test case, I will do like this. File,
Just a second.
open. So FB login is there, right? I can open it. Then it will be loaded. Okay.
Okay.
I have mm, recorded few other test cases also. I am planning to open all other two. So if you use open, then you can open only one test case at a time.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, but if you have more than one test case, you need to make it as a test suite.
Okay.
If you open the test suite, then it will add more than one test case for you. Okay. See
Okay.
what this is doing. Test clear button of contact form. So I have a website named Graduate Coach Online. So this will go to my contact form, fill some details,
Okay.
and after that it's clearing that. It's clearing all the fields.
Okay.
See, I placed a debugger here. So it is opening it, then it is clicking on the div contact form, then it is filling the fields. See, it stopped here because I clicked toggle breakpoint. Okay. After that, you can go step by step. If you click on this, then only it will execute this click.
Okay.
If you want to run it in a debug mode, put the debugger here. Just toggle breakpoint, go here, enable the breakpoint, then run it.
Actually, what is the use of the toggle breakpoint?
1 minute, I will let you know. Toggle breakpoint. So if you want to run line by line, because if you run it, it will run all the commands at a time, right?
Yes,
If the test case is getting failed, then you need to debug, right? Why is it failing?
yes. Mm-hmm.
If it is running, you can't find it because it's so quick, right? You
Yes.
can't assess the
Mm-hmm.
failure. So to find the failure, it might be useful. You can use the debug option provided by Selenium IDE. So what this toggle breakpoint will do is it will stop the execution at that point.
Okay, okay.
So if I put breakpoint here and if I run the test case, so we'll see this. Okay, then it is stopped here. Okay, if I click this button, then only the click will be performed.
Okay.
Then it entered contact form. Now I am saying type test in name equal to P1 field. See, I am here, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
By clicking on F1, you can find where the element is. That is name. Okay.
Okay.
Then execute the command. So what you are saying in name equal to P1, you are asking IDE to enter the value test. So it entered test. Then execute the next command. So you are at name equal to P2 now. So find the element. So name equal to P2 is nothing but email. Okay.
Okay.
So now execute that command too. So name equal to P2. You asked IDE to enter test at the rate m.com in P2 field. So it entered it. Then name equal to P3. Find the element. Yeah, it's the message field, message text box. So you are asking IDE to enter my message. So execute that line. So it entered my message. Then you are trying to click some button. So which button you are trying to click? So click find,
Okay.
that is clear button. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you click on clear button, obviously all the fields will be cleared.
Okay.
So now execute this line too. All the values are cleared, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So if I run the test case, for you it's really difficult to understand what is it doing because it will run it within fraction of seconds, right?
Yeah.
So
Uh-huh.
using debug mode, you can easily see what is going there. Okay. And one more thing, as I told you earlier, you can verify some element present, you can verify some text too. Okay. We will
Okay.
modify this test case to understand one more verify command. Like here you are click and wait, right? We are
Yes.
opening contact form. So here I am inserting new command, verify text. Okay. So which text I want to verify. So first select it where I want to verify the text. Here.
Okay.
So select. So I selected, right. If I select, then only this target field will be filled.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Value. What is the value? Contact form. Okay.
Yeah.
So I am planning to run it again. So everything is passed now. Okay.
Okay.
So if I make it as I removed C from here, so I gave some wrong name. Okay.
Okay.
See, it is failed here.
Yeah, verify text. Okay.
So it will verify the text which is present there. So you can validate your test cases, right? So you will automate the actions what you are doing. In manual testing also, after opening a page, you will verify these buttons present or not,
Yes.
or this text present or not. Like that you will do, right?
Yeah.
So in Selenium IDE also record your test and then insert few commands to asset to verify the text, to verify the elements. Okay, then it will become a test case. If you automate some manual steps, it is not testing. So if you are doing some actions, after performing an action you need to verify or you need to check for some elements or some text, then it will become a proper test case, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so use those verify commands because they don't come by automating by automating these browser actions, because verify is not an action, right? These
Yes.
clicks, type, everything will come under actions, but verifying is a test that doesn't come under recording part. So you need to insert these commands to make it as a proper test case. Okay.
Okay, so for every test case, we need to insert the verify test command,
Yeah,
right?
based on your need. If you feel that if you put verify, then it will give proper meaning to the test case, then go ahead with that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And there is one more command, assert text. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will see. I will run the test case. You need to find the difference between assert text and verify text. So what is the difference?
Set text and verify text. రెండు ఒకటే కదా ఐ మీన్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ సేమ్
Okay, ఒకసారి చూడండి ఇది. Just look at it and remember that remember the screenshot in your mind. I will run the verify text again. Okay.
ఓకే
Otherwise we'll keep it like this and we'll make the changes and run it again. So did you find the difference?
అదొకసారి లాస్ట్ చూపించండి
Last is under the so you can see only the palm, you can't see this.
ఓకే వి కాంట్ సీ బోత్ రైట్
Yeah, I will tell you. Otherwise we'll do one more thing. I don't want to tell. So
సిఎస్ఎస్ లో సంథింగ్ ఏదో డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది
yeah, so the difference you need to find out. Like in newspapers, they will ask, right? They will give two images and find the differences. Like that, I will give you. So now I am making it as a text.
I think the command is different. Okay.
మీరు చూడండి, you look at the difference.
Okay. I think here the command is for open and for the set the command is type.
If you see here, in case of verify, it will just verify, but it doesn't stop the execution of the test case.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
okay.
if you see verify, it will just check whether the text present or not. Even the text present or not, it will continue with execution of rest of the test case.
Okay. Uh-huh.
But in case of assert, it will assert it. If it doesn't find the text, it will stop the execution at that point itself.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's your call. If you want to, you are trying to check whether the text present or not, right?
Yes. Uh-huh.
If the text doesn't present, if you can't execute with the execution of the test case, then you can go ahead with assert. Or if you
Okay.
feel
Uh-huh.
that you need to stop the test case if the text doesn't present, then go ahead with assert. If you don't bother about the text presence, then go ahead with verify text.
Sure. Yeah.
So that is the main difference between assert text and verify text. It's simply the execution of the test case. If the text present or not, if you want to proceed with execution, then go ahead with verify. Otherwise, you can choose assert.
Okay. Yeah.
So for each verify, you have assert 2. What I mean to say is, you have assert text, right? So you have verify text too.
Okay. Uh-huh.
If you see assert alert, you have verify alert.
Okay. Uh-huh.
You see assert all alert not present, you can see verify alert not present. So
Okay.
this every command is available twice. One will assert it, one will verify it. So based on your need, you can choose one of them. Okay.
Okay.
So element presence will check whether element present or not. Text verify text will check whether the text is there or not. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have more than one test case, you can export them as the test suite also.
Okay.
If you have more than one test case, then you can make it as a test suite. Like that you can do. These are the very simple options we have here in Selenium IDE. This is for execution speed setup. If you put it at fast, it will run so quickly. If you make it slow, it will run very slowly when compared to fast mode. Okay. If you
Okay.
have more
Yeah.
than one test case, it will be helpful. Test suite is nothing but combination of test cases. If you have more than one test case and if you club more than one test cases, we will call it a test suite.
Okay.
So we have more than one, right? Now we have two: test clear button,
Oh,
test reset button. Okay.
okay. Yeah.
So this is called test suite. If you want to run both, you can go ahead with this option: play entire test suite.
Okay. Yeah.
If you want to run only one of them, then click on one of the test case and run this. Then it will run only the selected test case.
Yeah. Mhm.
This will be enabled when you put a debugger, toggle breakpoint, and while running the test case, these two buttons will be enabled here.
Okay.
You can run it line by line by clicking on the step. It will run step by step. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and one more important thing is here if you click on something, you can find it. If you click on find, it will highlight the element.
Yes.
And
Mm-hmm.
if you want to select the element, that means if you don't have target, like name equal to p1 is not there, target is empty, that means you are giving the command type and you are giving the value, and but you are not specifying where to enter.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So if you want to give the element but you don't know the identifier, then go ahead with select option. Click select,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
go to the element and click on it. That's it.
Okay.
Then it will fill the identifier for you. Earlier we don't have this name equal to p1, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Now it is filled with several identifier. You can choose one of them, but in general we'll go ahead with first option.
Okay.
Yeah. So do we have any doubts in IDE now? Everything is
Uh,
clear for you? See, look at
yeah.
all the buttons. If you have any doubts, ask me. If you don't have any doubts, we will try to record one test case in your machine. You do that part, I will just look at it. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
I will ask you what to do, but I don't tell you how to do that. You need to do for me. So before doing the task, ask me if you have any doubts in Selenium ID. At that time, I don't tell you.
Everything is clear, but in case if it is how we know that if we verify this one, verify some other.
No, no, no.
అది ఎక్కడ వెరిఫై చేయాలని ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది సో అది నాకు
Verify is up to you, Swati. You can put it anywhere. If you want to verify something,
ఓకే
you can put like after loading the page, in that page
ఓకే
you will find several text fields, you will find several buttons, right?
ఎస్
To understand the verify command, you can verify one of them.
ఓకే
Like I opened this contact form. In contact form, I have this message, email, name. These are all labels, right? These all are text, right?
ఎస్ ఎస్
Like I can verify this also. I have these phone numbers here.
ఓకే
So verify text, this mobile number.
ఓకే
Okay. Like that I can verify, right? So these
ఎస్
are the things we can do.
Okay, okay, I got it.
Okay, and this is the record button. If you click on record button, then only test case will be recorded. Okay,
Yeah.
I
Okay.
will try once. If you have any doubts, I will tell you, no problem.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, now I am making you as a presenter.
Okay.
So which login action will perform? So we'll do one thing. That SkyDrive login is there, right?
Yes.
That we will try now. Or
Sure.
something else. No, no, not SkyDrive. We are recording the test case here. Mm,
Okay.
mm, okay, what I can do. Try with Gmail. We'll see. Gmail login. Don't give your original credentials. Just go ahead with some dummy credentials.
Okay, okay, okay. Preparation.
Add account. Add account. Okay. So before doing that, you didn't start IDE. You should start, right?
Oh, okay. Okay, coming to this.
Yeah, you
I
should
mean,
start.
URL కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేయాలా?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You have
Otherwise,
to
you
start
shouldn't.
here.
You shouldn't know, right? Yeah.
Okay, then I'll do one thing. Just I will start it from the time.
Choose don't save. Okay. Open a new tab.
Huh?
Open a new tab.
Okay.
Hmm. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me check whether is it in record mode or not.
Mm,
Yeah, it is in recorded mode. Yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Mm, Okay, record stop చేయాలా?
Yeah, yeah. Stop the recording.
Okay.
You stopped it, right?
Yes, I did.
So you have given some wrong credentials. If you
Wrong.
give, yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
okay. So if you give wrong credentials, definitely it will give you this error message. The email or password you entered is incorrect. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the test case you need to write. So you will perform login action with some wrong credentials. Then you should verify whether this error message is appearing or not. So add a command and verify the text. The email or password you entered is incorrect. So where will you put the command?
Okay. Here to verify the email
No, no,
you
no.
entered is
No,
correct.
when this error message will come after clicking on sign in, right?
After yeah.
So you need to put it after sign in.
Okay. Okay. After signing.
Yeah, one
Okay.
minute. Is there anything like add command instead of we'll see. Right click on it.
Okay.
Yeah, now see. Okay, nothing is there to add new command. Okay, choose insert new command. Insert new command
Okay. Yeah.
and bring
It's
it down.
coming. Okay. It's coming before signing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. We need to have
Yeah,
after
yeah, yeah,
signing.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay.
Here one more is there, I think. After Selenium type,
Mm-hmm.
Did you drag it down?
Yes, yes, I did.
But in between, why the gap is coming between type and click and wait? There is one more command here, I guess. Delete that. Delete.
Okay.
And
Instead
here,
of putting
oh yeah, this is enough for us. So go to the
as a
command. No,
okay.
how many commands we have? Unknown command. Okay, give the command first. Which command will give? Verify text, right? Because that's
Verify
the text.
text. Yeah.
Yeah, verify text. Verify. Yeah,
Okay, verify text.
text. Yeah, choose that. And then
Okay.
click on what? Which button
Mm,
you will choose? Find or select?
okay, click
Select.
on
Yeah,
that. Okay.
select. Select that. Where is that element?
Okay. Here.
Yeah, that. No, 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 not there.
Uh,
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, now is displaying it as ID equal to sign in because you clicked on sign in button, right? But you should not check in sign in button. Prior to that, you have this, right? Click select and click on the error message. The email or password you entered is incorrect there, right? Click on
okay,
that.
okay, yeah, yes.
Click on the text.
మళ్ళీ సెలెక్ట్ చేయమంటారా
Select చేసి then click on the text. That yeah, that's it. Now we'll see.
ఓకే
So ID
verify
equal to
error
error message. Yeah, that's good. So what is the error message?
the email or password you enter is incorrect.
Then enter that in value field. The email or
Okay. Okay.
okay. Put the dot to after incorrect. Put the dot.
Okay. Yeah.
Then save the test case.
Okay. Selenium down here.
So Gmail underscore login fail. Name it as like that. Gmail.
Okay.
Yeah. In the file name, give this name. Gmail underscore login fail test. Save.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's good. So now open a new tab and run the test case again. We'll see whether is it pass or go to top.
ఓపెన్ చేయాలి కదా
No, yeah, go to top. Click on the no, no, open akkర్లేదు. We didn't close it, right?
యా ఓకే
One
ఏది
minute.
మీరు అనేది ఇదా
ఒక్క నిమిషం. Okay, close the IDE now and open it again. Close the IDE.
ఓకే ఓపెన్ ఇట్
Now open the IDE. You don't have any test cases, right? Now choose to open. Yeah, that's right. If you have the test case in your IDE, no need to open it. If you don't have
ఓకే
it, then you need to open. Yeah, open Gmail underscore login. Yeah.
ఓకే and
Okay.
then run.
Yeah. Now run.
Okay, yeah. Same using
See, there is small difference in the text, I guess. The email or password you entered is incorrect. Dot space is also there. No. After that, he has after dot he has space and question mark also, but we placed only dot, right?
okay,
That's
yeah,
why
that's the
spelling.
difference.
Append that also. After
Okay.
dot, add space and question mark.
Okay. You want me to edit that one?
Yeah, there, yeah. Go to the value field, space and question mark. Yeah, that's it. Save the test case. File save. Save test case. Yeah, that's right. Now run it.
Okay.
Open a new tab and run it. Don't close the IDE.
ఓకే నేను ఇంకా ఆల్రెడీ ఇందాక టెస్ట్ చేసిందని క్లోజ్
Okay, no problem.
మళ్ళీ
Choose. Open it. Yeah.
ఓకే
Oh, okay. Yeah, right. It's running. Yeah. Yeah, it's passed, right?
ఎస్ ఎస్
Yeah, that's it. So you can take any. It's your choice, Swati. You can take any one of the browser actions you are performing, not the login actions. Uh,
ఓకే
you, we used to do online shopping, right? Like Myntra. We have so many sites, right? Like Amazon.
ఎస్
So take one of the sites and try to automate some shopping, some online shopping we can automate, right? Like go to a
ఎస్
brand, choose shoes or anything, any accessories you can choose. Try to do that, but if you get any alert boxes in middle, definitely it might fail.
ఓకే
Leave those websites in which alert boxes will come, right?
ఓకే
Don't take those websites, but choose one of the websites and automate. Try to automate the things what you manually do.
యా ష్యూర్ యా
Yeah, you got it right. All the things what we learned today.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I'll do a couple of them tomorrow and I will show the
Yeah,
result in
yeah,
case
yeah,
if
sure.
there is
Yeah,
any
that's
doubt,
what I
I'll
need.
let you know.
And one more thing I will show you. Like, okay, now I.
Okay. We can use both, right? Comments, verify text and alter text.
What? Yeah, if you use alter text, if it, yeah, it's you are at last command, right? Both will act as same.
Okay, yeah.
Verify text, you can use alert. No, what is assert text also you can use.
Okay, okay, yeah.
There are a lot of verify, Swati. Verify alert, verify not present, alert, alert. But he is saying that verify alert. Here he will give the information about the API. You can read that here also. Okay. Verify alert
Okay,
generated from get alert returns the message of the most recent JavaScript alert.
okay, yeah.
So like that you can go to each and every command. You can understand these commands. Press
Yes.
the alt key and hold it down until do alt up, something like that. But in Selenium IDE we don't waste our time, because as I explained you earlier, because of the limitations no one is using Selenium IDE. It
Yes,
has
okay.
many other options, but I don't want to waste much time on it. From tomorrow
Okay.
onwards we will go ahead with Selenium RC.
Okay, yeah.
We will use it only to find the identifiers. Using this select button,
Okay.
you can click on any one of the elements and you can get identifiers for that.
Okay.
We will use Selenium IDE only for that purpose. Okay?
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. So that's it, Swati, for today. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
You
Thank you.
take one of the websites based on your interest and you can automate the things. We'll see it in next class.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't have any doubts, right, in today class?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah.